all about blades. My name is Stefan Maar and I'm the product manager at Wenzel for the core product line. Core means measurement with the speed of light. The core machine is designed to measure very fast and accurate turbine blades in the shop floor environment. We provide different kind of solution to measure very fast and accurate turbine blades with the Wenzel machine and sensor portfolio. As well, we have different kind of software solutions. Today, I would like to invite you to follow us at the Wenzel blog All About Blades at LinkedIn and at our website. In this blog, we will talk about different features about the turbine blade, from aerospace, power generation, and industrial machines. In the next couple of weeks, we will talk about the history about turbine blade engines, turbine blade geometry and production challenges. There will be a special blade feature talk with our team. We'll talk to the experts and we'll discuss about root, airfoil, platform, leading and trailing edges. There will be an insight into the production challenges and we will provide you web links for interesting topics all about blades. Please follow us at LinkedIn and our website at the following dates.